Well, hi. Welcome to Empty Pockets RC. Albert Attaboy is going to be the driver of the Monster Beetle Black. Okay, so we got the Monster Beetle Black here. Always a little bit of a disappointment that they put the Black Edition sticker on top of the beautiful, gorgeous artwork. Love the Tamiya artwork. Yeah, it's great. So we have the Monster Beetle Black Edition and front CVA oil dampers, metal radius arms, large diameter gold plated one piece metal wheel. I forget what the hell you call this chassis. Does it say? It's a re-release based and updated version of the Monster Beetle from 1986. Durable space frame with four-wheel independent suspension, wild lifted style with massive 130mm lug pattern pin spike tires, tough paintable polystyrene body with driver figure. Sweet. That'd be Albert Attaboy. List of tune-up parts suggested is the bearing kit. Well, I happen to have a Fast Eddie bearing kit just in my back pocket for this. So let's open it up and have a look and see what is inside. There we go. And presentation of the box is always pretty fantastic. This one's, yeah, not the best, but not the worst. I like it. So let's start pawing through it. You want to know what I bet? I bet there's some black parts in here. So let's see what we get. We get some black parts. And some more black parts. More black parts. Oh, there's the nose piece. That's kind of cool. Oh, oh, I'm going to have to open this up too. Holy man, we even got some chrome parts. So that's awesome. We got the mirrors and the VW symbol and the headlight bezels. So that's awesome. I didn't realize that you got that. I don't know why I didn't know that. And more black parts. Oh, antenna tube. More black parts all over the place. So that's pretty wicked. Look at these tires. They're definitely spiked tires. I thought they would have been a little bit wider, but okay, that's cool. So that's what that is. The tires are pretty cool. They're not even in a bag, so that's kind of interesting. And you got a front bumper and servo parts. Servo, what do you call that? Servo saver. So that's cool. And the gold rims. There's where she's all at, right there, the gold rims. So that's pretty cool. And once again, I don't see. I'm gonna have to open it up. And steering parts, gears, a genuine Tamiya motor, the rubber boots, all the metal parts. Well, let's do it. Okay, whoops, start with A. You got your A bag. That's the metal hardware, the grease and everything. It's your B bag, your motor side cases, gear case side cases, Some AW grease in there, little rubber boots, sea bag, the shock parts and everything, and the shock oil. And you got the D bag, all the body pins and the body parts and everything. So that's everything that's in the kit. So that's pretty awesome. I do not see a speed controller anywhere, so we'll have to go and purchase a speed controller and install it if we want it to go vroom vroom. So cool. Okay, that's everything in the Monster Beetle Black Edition. All right, let's have a quick look at the body. So I've just taken it out of the bag, and inside the body we have our windshield, the body itself, which is a very nice VW body. It is definitely black. It actually doesn't look too bad. You could probably get away with leaving it as it is. I'm gonna paint her shiny black. Paint it up good, just because I think that would be a really good thing to do. So yeah, no, the body looks awesome actually. So we got a little bit of molding lines there. Not the end of the world. Touch them up and give her a good paint job. Inside the body is the chassis halves. So that's kind of cool. Different color, nice little gray color there, so that's good. All right, so there we got our decals. Pretty nice looking decals. Yeah, looks pretty awesome. I still don't see the Albert decal. Oh, there it is, right there. Albert Attaboy. There we are, Albert Attaboy. Right there. Got the inlay for in top of the hood there. So that's pretty cool. Nice colors for the gold, nice goldy color. Silver stripes go with the black edition. So that'll be pretty cool. Not too bad for decals. We will manage one way or another. All right, so now I think we've got everything in the Monster Beetle kit. So now that we've had a quick look at everything, let's get building Tamiya.